Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Strees Bio Simplified. Today we are going to take a look on reproduction chapter practice questions. We have a set of 15 questions here today. Okay, let's get started. Let's see our first question. The production and maturation of sperms in testes is known as option A oogenesis, option B sporogenesis, option C gametogenesis, option D spermatogenesis. The production and maturation of sperms in testes is known as spermatogenesis. Normally, it involves the successive formation of spermatogonia, primary spermatocytes, secondary spermatocytes, spermatids, and spermatozoa. And the right option is D, spermatogenesis. Next question. Leydig cells secrete option A testosterone, option B estrogen, option C corticosterone, option D progesterone. Leydig cells is present in between the seminiferous tubules of testes. In mammals, these are endocrine in nature and secretes male sex hormones testosterone. So the correct option is A. Next question. The testes in humans are situated outside the abdominal cavity inside a pouch called scrotum. The purpose served is for option A, maintaining the scrotal temperature lower than the internal body temperature. Option B, escaping any possible compression by the visceral organs. Option C, providing more space for the growth of epididymis. Option D, providing a secondary sexual feature for exhibiting the male sex. Direct lines from NCERT. The testes are situated outside the abdominal cavity within a pouch called scrotum. The scrotum helps in maintaining the temperature of testes, which means 2 to 2.5 degrees Celsius lower than the normal body temperature necessary for spermatogenesis. So the correct option is A. Next question. Which part of ovary in mammals act as an endocrine gland after ovulation? Option A stroma, option B germinal epithelium, option C vitelline membrane, option D corpus luteum. Option D corpus luteum is the right answer. Next question. During copulation, which one of the following events occur in sperms when it enters in the vagina of females? Option A compaction, option B capacitation, option C cavitation, option D convergence. Very important question, and the correct answer for this question is B capacitation. Next question. Which is the function of copper T? Option A checks mutation, option B checks fertilization, option C checks pollination, option D checks ovulation. Copper T is an example of intrauterine devices used for birth control. Copper T inhibits fertilization of ovum so that it checks pregnancy. So the correct answer for this question is B, checks fertilization. Next question. In 28 days human ovarian cycle, the ovulation takes place typically on option A, day 1st of the cycle, option B, day 6th of the cycle, option C, day 10th of the cycle, option D, day 14th of the cycle. Menstrual cycle is the cyclic period of 28 days duration in the reproduction of human females, and ovulation takes place on the 14th day of menstrual cycle. So the right option is D. Okay, next question. During menstrual cycle, levels of LH and estrogen are highest around option A 14th day, option B 21st day, option C 7th day, option D 28th day. The secretion of gonadotropins LH and FSH increases gradually during the follicular phase and stimulates follicular development as well as secretion of estrogens by the growing follicles. Both LH and FSH attain a peak level in the middle of the cycle at about 14th day. Rapid secretion of LH leading to its maximum level during mid-cycle called LH surge induces the Graafian follicle and thereby the release of ovum. We call it ovulation. Concentration of estrogen in blood level is so high around 14th day and reaches its peak. So the correct option is A. Next question. Middle piece of mammalian sperm contains option A nucleus, option B centriole, option C mitochondria, option D vacuole. Middle piece of mammalian sperm contains mitochondria. These are well developed and numerous. And nucleus is present at the sperm head or acrosome. Centriole is present at the neck region, and the correct option is C. Next question. In a society, women are blamed for producing female children. Choose the correct answer for the sex determination in humans. Option A, due to some defect like aspermia in man. Option B, due to some genetic makeup of the particular sperm which fertilizes the egg. Option C, due to genetic makeup of the egg. Option D, due to some defect in the human. And the correct answer for this question is B, that is due to genetic makeup of the particular sperm which fertilizes the egg. Okay, next question. Seminal fluid. Option A maintains the viability of the sperms. Option B maintains motility of sperm. Option C provides proper pH and ionic strength. Option D, all of this. Seminal fluid is secreted by the seminal vesicles. It maintains viability and motility of sperms. It also provides proper pH and ionic strength. Fructose, which is present in the seminal fluid and it is not produced anywhere else in the body, provides a forensic test for rape. Its presence in the female genital tracts confirms sexual intercourse. So the correct option is D. Next question. Parturition means option A, formation of placenta. Option B, giving birth to a baby. Option C, fusion between male and female gametes. Option D, laying eggs. So the correct option is B. Okay, next question. Ectopic pregnancies are referred to as option A, implantation of defective embryo in the uterus. Option B, pregnancies terminated due to hormonal imbalance. Option C, pregnancies with the genetic abnormality. Option D, implantation of embryo at site other than uterus. Ectopic pregnancies is a complication of pregnancy in which implantation of embryo takes place at site other than uterus. Signs and symptoms include abdominal pain and vaginal bleeding. Most ectopic pregnancies occur in the fallopian tube, which are known as tubal pregnancies. So at last the correct option is D, that is implantation of embryo at site other than uterus. Okay, next question. The embryo with 8 to 16 blastomeres is called option A, blastula. Option B, gastrula. Option C, morula. Option D, none of this. Option C, morula is the correct answer for this question. Next question. Medical termination of pregnancy, MTP, is considered safe up to how many weeks of pregnancy? Option A, 8 weeks. Option B, 12 weeks. Option C, 18 weeks. And option D, 6 weeks. Medical termination of pregnancy or MTP or abortion is the termination of pregnancy before the fetus becomes viable. MTP is comparatively safe up to 12 weeks of pregnancy. It becomes more risky after the first trimester period of pregnancy as the fetus becomes intimately associated with the maternal tissues. So option B, 12 weeks is the correct answer. So that's it for the day, guys. Hope you guys learned something. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Happy learning. Thank you.